Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Bunq account. So first we're going to go to the app. Then as you can see, once you guys are logged in, you need to have this requirements. You must not have any negative balance, no scheduled payments, no pending requests, or no pending Bunq2 payments. So once you clear these things, you're ready to delete your account. So next you're going to see this page. So once you click on the Bunq plan of your account, you're going to see a close account option, as you can see here. Then once you click that, you can click on close all my accounts, as you can see. So then your account is going to be deleted. There's also a second option where you can go to the settings, and as you can see, there's a close account option, as you can see here. So these are the ways you could delete your Bunq account. I hope this video was a help for you guys. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.